Ta-da! You guys cold or you hot? It's pretty warm out, ain't it? How was your flight? How was your flight?
Noisy.
You just got here. Come here. Yeah. Whoa, don't fall down.
Dipping their noses. I want more, please.
They're gonna drown in that thing. They're crawling inside of it. That ain't gonna work. They might be alright in there. You gonna shit in your water? Huh?
Are they that hot?
I don't know if they're hot. They just jumped in like they think they're ducks or something. I don't know if they're gonna be able to get out. You need to get a different water. Does everybody know where water's at? Even you want us in the vanity mirror? You never did tell me how your flight was.
She got me back.
Water with vinegar in it. That's pretty tasty.
Some of them is quite feisty.
They are, ain't they?
Is there 20?
I never counted that. After we had the water catastrophe, I quit counting.
You wanted a bath?
So there might be 21, but I would guess 20.
And this one just likes looking at stuff in the mirror. What kinds of these?
Cornish cross.
Trying them for the first time.
Yeah, we never grew these before. The red broilers. The red broilers we got now, they're gonna go butcher a week after next. And there's 30 of those. We sold more than we wanted to, so we had to get these for us.
Well, we wanted to try them anyways.
Yeah, we did, but we'll have a couple of them for us too. So I wanted at least 20 for our freezer. We don't eat a lot of chicken, but we eat a fair bit. 20 chickens probably feed us for the year. One every 2 weeks. 2.5 weeks. That's about all we ever eat chickens, once every week and a half. They're 2.5 weeks probably. We don't eat a lot of chicken. It's good though. Of course, I don't know how good these are. But ouch!
I guess we'll see. What'd she do?
She was, well, I can't say she. The one was grabbing the other's foot and yanking on it.
Get out of there, it's mine. That one's in the bath, bathing its foot off. You can get out of there, you know. Let somebody else in to get a drink.
So we'll grow them in here for probably 2-ish weeks. Maybe 3, depending on the weather. 2 or 3 weeks, then they'll go outside.
None of them's going over to the light, really.
Yeah, it's pretty warm in here though. I don't know what the temperature is. You don't know.
Back on the shelf.
It's 83. I don't know what they need to be.
I think 90 is what they say, but
yeah,
we always go by how the chickens act.
Yeah, we don't worry about what they're supposed to be. We worry about how they react to stuff. If they stay away from the light, then we'll raise it up or turn it off or whatever. If they go to the light, then we'll turn it on. You can tell when they're overheating.
They lay out like they're sunbathing.
Clear out flat. Wings and legs out.
Then you know, get the heat off.
Yeah.
and make sure they have water.
Yep.
Apple cider vinegar water. I put a mirror in there after the last time because they like looking at themselves and they like lay by it.
They crap all over it.
They do, but it's something for them.
Oh yeah. Very true.
Yep. You guys are on camera.
So in about 8 weeks you'll be in here. 8 weeks you'll be in this. Just so you know. This is your home now. Outside will be your home in about 2 weeks, and then 8 weeks this will be your house. Then this will be your house.
Then in our belly.
Then in this. Yeah, there you go.
That one's already trying to eat.
A couple of them nibbled at it a little bit.
It was thirsty.
Yeah, they were. You never did tell me how your flight was. How was your flight this morning?
See, well, we're all still alive.
Must have been a pretty good flight. Must have been.
I was getting kind of nervous this morning when the Postal Service tracker said you were still in Minnesota.
Yeah.
They didn't update.
Didn't update at all till they was at our local post office.
Yeah, it was kind of driving me crazy that I couldn't find out where they was or if something happened to them. So I called the place we ordered them from, and they said, well, if they're some post offices doesn't scan the box when they receive it. They let it until they get to their final destination. And she said, so if you don't get them by today or tomorrow, then give us a call. I thought, yeah, because they'll be dead at wherever they're at.
Yeah, if they wouldn't have been any border. Of course, they were hatched yesterday, so.
Tuesday.
They would have hatched Wednesday.
They were sent out Tuesday evening.
You sure?
Mm-hmm. That's when I got the email.
I can't read, my eyes ain't good enough. But
Tuesday evening, they was taken to the post office.